guys, Dama here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful, beautiful, fabulous day today. Today's video is going to be a fun one. Like I say all the time, but whatever. That's besides the point. Today's video is going to be on the spring, I think it's called the spring sale that Sephora does every year. So I decided I want to go ahead and share that with you guys today. I feel like I look a little weird because I don't have lashes on, so I look pale. My hair is crazy. But anyways, you guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. I would love for you to join our little family here on YouTube, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button in the bottom of the screen, and also hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. As for those of you returning, thank you so much for tuning in with me again today, and without further ado, let's just jump right in. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the stuff that I already used because I couldn't contain myself, so I had to open a few products to test them out. So the first one I'm gonna talk about is the OLEHENRIKSEN Transforming Walnut Scrub. I've heard so many people talk about how good this scrub is, and I just honestly, I'm not huge on exfoliating scrubs. Like I'm always so scared that it will like tear my skin, and I've heard so many terrible stuff about that, so I've never been huge on exfoliating. So I decided that maybe I should give it a try, see how it works out, take it slow, maybe once a week instead of 3 times a week, or however it is that people normally do it, and I'm gonna test it. I know I've tried scrubs in the past and I've purchased them, but I never actually go through with using them like I should. And then the other thing that I opened was the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow gel. I used it this morning. This stuff, guys, is really good. Like, it's tinted already, and I picked up the duo actually, so it came with the Brow Wiz as well. So this duo comes together in a pack, and it's a pretty awesome deal. I don't remember right now how much it was, and I got rid of the receipt. I think it cost like $26 for the duo, something like that. I don't remember, but it's awesome, guys. I really like it, and I think it's even perfect to use it to where you just use that to fill in your brows and not use any other product, and it kind of gives you that natural look. I also picked up the Fenty Beauty Matchstick. I picked it up to use it as a contour stick. I mean, I've never been huge on cream contours, but I saw it in the store, and one of the Sephora employees using it on a customer, and I just thought it looked so pretty, and so I decided, well, maybe I should pick one up. We'll see if I even get into it. I guess for me, the reason is like cream contours to blend is so annoying, so that's probably why, but we'll see. So meanwhile, I'm on Fenty Beauty. They actually just launched last week their new bronzer. You guys, wait till you see this packaging. It's so pretty. I love anything gold. So this alone was like, I was hooked, and it is gorgeous. And if I could get this to open, and I love the fact that it brings a mirror as well with it. It is so pretty, and the lady at Sephora yesterday helped me to test it out, and when she put it on, she put a very light layer, and it looked gorgeous. So I'm really excited to try this out and go ham. The next thing I got was this Supergoop setting powder, SPF 45. You guys know I am all about sunscreen protection, and I always tell everybody, make sure you use sunscreen, especially here in Florida. I know I've purchased this in the past, and I think I gave it to somebody because I really did not use it. And maybe the reason being is because when I use SPF, I like to use the ones that come in my moisturizer or something like that, because the whole apply it every 2 hours, 45 minutes, let's be honest, nobody can keep up with that. But I do try and apply SPF every morning at least before I leave for the day. The way it works, it has a brush, and that's powder in there that you just brush and it comes right out. The reason why I like it is because you can touch up all you want all day because it's a translucent powder. Thing I picked up, I was so excited. I don't know why I haven't bought it in such a long time. I got the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I used to use this, guys, all the time when I initially first tried this eyeliner, and then one day it's like I forgot. I just stopped using it. I don't know. I was at Sephora Disney Springs the other day, I think sometime last week, for Dapper Day, and I went to a class because I love doing that. It's super fun to actually spend some time with other girls that are kind of interested in the same things you are. They so happened to set up my little station to where I had the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I was like, oh my god, why did I stop using this? Like, why didn't I purchase it anymore? So when I was at the store, I was like, I definitely gotta pick it up. So I actually saw it there yesterday, and I'm like, I have to take this. So I'm super excited to use it again, you guys. And talking about Dapper Day, the lipstick I tried, I also picked it up, and it's this beautiful Too Faced matte liquid lipstick, and I love the name of the color. It's called Lady Balls, and it's this super pretty real, I call like apple red, real red, and I just love the way it looked. And honestly, you guys, for me, I do not like red like this. I absolutely adore dark maroon lipstick. It's like the perfect shade of red for me. And now I'm just kind of looking for an excuse to wear this red again because I really like. I'll see if I record that video. I feel like I've done a lot lately, a lot of get ready with me, and I feel like I'm running out of ideas. So if you guys can think of anything for me to do, please let me know. I would love to try it out, and I'd really appreciate it. Okay, we're almost done here. So the very next thing I picked up, because once again, it's almost summer, these Sol de Janeiro Glowmotions, and it's like a bronze glow oil. I mean, body, I think you could use it for your face too, body and face oil. I'm trying to see what color this is in. I can't tell, but anyways, it's a tinted transfer radiant shimmer for body and face. Yes, so it does say it's for body and face. And I'm gonna pump a little bit right here in the back of my hand. I was looking for something that will give me like a glowy look. So watch this. That was a lot. But you guys see how it gives me like that bronzy look? It is so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. So you can see the difference here. That's like my normal skin color and with the bronze all over it. Oh, and that pretty lipstick. Oh my god. I can just imagine myself out at the beach with my skin looking like this and this gorgeous lipstick on and my sun hat. Yeah, in case you guys couldn't tell, yes, I'm dying to go to the beach. And guys, the best part about it, the bottle only cost $35. I was so shocked when they said that. And I tried the Fenty one too, but I wasn't as impressed as I was with this one. And it smells like vanilla. I don't think it's a smell a lot of people will like because I don't love it, but it's not bad. And you can spray perfume on top and I'm sure it'll fade. Okay, so anyways, the very last thing I wanted to share with you guys was my birthday gift. So Sephora gives out a birthday gift every year on your birthday, and every year it changes. So this year you had the option of the Kat Von D liner with the setting powder and I think some lipstick or something like that, or the Drunk Elephant duo of the cleanser and a moisturizer of some sort. So this year I've opted to go for skincare for my birthday gift. Okay, so that is everything I picked up for the spring bonus, like they call it, the spring bonus Sephora 20% off VIB Rouge. I don't know what to call it, but yes, these are all the products I picked up. I thought they were some pretty awesome ones. Really hope you guys enjoyed it, and please let me know in the comment box down below if you guys purchased any of these products and you really like it, or if you will be purchasing any of these products because of my video. Go ahead and use yours if you have that discount. I promise you it's super worth it. There are no coupons for Sephora ever, so it's always good to take the opportunity to make your purchases when you can get a discount for it. that's just my opinion. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in with me today. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one. Now I'm gonna go wash all this stuff up, and I'm gonna go stuff my face because I'm hungry. Bye guys.